Welcome to Abiha Mahim YouTube channel.
I am showing you new arrival of this week.
Double tone dye color looks so beautiful. This one make on order. For further information, contact us on WhatsApp. More details are available in description box. We daily upload new outfit of the day. This is detailing of trouser. Subscribe and press bell icon so you get notifications for new arrivals. If you like dresses, please press like button and tell me in comments box what you think about this dress.